Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Valentino model, VA4025 in color code 5001/87. It's a black silver color frame. On the temples here we have a silver Valentino logo with a silver accent at the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple with a silver accent and a silver Valentino logo. The lenses are a smoke color. The style of the frame is fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Valentino gift box, a case to put your glasses in, an authenticity booklet, a manufacturer booklet, and this is a pouch to put your glasses in.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.